everybody. This is on my other account, which I've gotten way better at. And I hear vicious bee. Okay. We are going to help this guy, vicious bee. And get away these Scorpios. Ika. The spread. What? Did I need something for? Yeah, it was that. It was this one. Was it extreme stir fry? Yeah, it was extreme stir fry. How many people have here found a gifted? I have. It was very lucky. I don't know how, or when, and where. It doesn't stab. Duh. Look at it. Stay near him. Stay near him. Just stay near him. I'm not even scared. I'm just walking very slowly around. There's someone here who just got 15 minutes and probably helping us. Classic. This guy got silver. And glide. Let's go fight the king beetle. Up. Ah, da 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 da. This time I hope he's gonna give me the king beetle amulet. And better than my one I have right now. Well, basically when you get a king beetle amulet, you don't need to get it again. But if you want a better one, because I got Cloverfield Strawberry, I'm pretty sure it gives you a random 2 fields and conversion rate. That one gives you conversion rate always. And then it's either player movement speed or critical hit power. And then it could be red palm, blue palm, or white palm. Just stop. Actually jump, please. Okay, jump there. Guess that's good for me. Signature snapback smack. King Beetle amulet, let's go! Gives me more conversion rate. It just gives me different fields. I don't really go to Cloverfield that much. Or Strawberry. But conversion rate's way better. Keep old. There we go. Then I'll come back later. ACF movie. Funny. See, that's pretty good. That's This is yeah. That's and my other account. Yeah. How long does it take for these to come back? 15 minutes. Okay. That's basically how long the video will be. An extra 15 minutes. Yeah. don't know why I'm doing that. But yeah, I don't know. I just don't know. When I'm... I can't speak. I don't know why. Wow. Can I actually make that jump? Oh, I can. I wasn't actually expecting that. Let me go into the mass area. You can't make it without it being nighttime. If it's nighttime, you can make it. If it's not, you can't. It's weird. What's the next big thing on my list I need to do? It's probably going to Blue HQ. Yes, you go to both HQs. I just threw red back because I just wanted to. And see how much this is. I don't have enough moon charms. Are you kidding me? How much do I have? Oh, I have 1. And 75. So I used all of mine to get a freaking moon charm, which isn't even that good. Actually, it's pretty good. Oh yeah, the amulet. I could generate another star amulet and see what I get. Yeah, we should do that. Yeah, let's go do that. If I have enough time. Why is there just jelly bean people? I don't know. I'm just okay. We're gonna sit here farming. Probably being just like this. Explosion. Connect 4. Connect 4. Connect lower. Rapid speed. There it is. Pew 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 pew. Yeah, this extra pollen is so good. I'm not. I have so much strawberries. I don't know why I'm not using them. I already have the god. What am I saving up for? I don't even know. I skipped the thing that required 50 and 50 of both. Oh, I have exactly 500 treats. I'm not gonna get any more treats. Mini shop gives me gifts and gives me a treat. So it might be good. I will be so late. Okay. There's my another chicken I hit. It's 8 to 8. Photon, how much have you gotten? Yeah, he's gotten a lot. Okay, start journey time. What do I need? Oh, okay, I've done every field at Star Journey now. Now I need to get goo from white flowers. Which is so annoying. Which is also what I need from for spirit starters, which I cheesed. I went landed and talked to her, which worked. Let's probably try the big. Let's try it again. I'm pretty sure I was able to talk to it. You can give it stuff. I'm pretty sure it gives you honey back. I can't remember. Because I do not know. Oh, I've done this trick before. You just zoom around the map. What is that? Okay. Yeah, this music's such a good bop. Ba 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 da 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 ba da 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 da. I'm bigger, I'm taller than him. So this should be 20 poem. I mean, 20 poem, 20% plus poem from beast, 20% plus poem, 10% B ability rate and defense. What does the flying mask give me? Red poem, 2.5. Okay. Super conversion, 1.5 capacity. This is what I should save up for. But it's 100 million. Yay, yikes, Christ. The highest I saved up to is 60 million. The golden freaking rake. I don't know why I chose the golden freaking rake. I just did. I should have kept going and then got the porcelain honey dipper. Maybe that's what it's called. Vita, porcelain portal hive, porcelain dipper. Yeah, this is a good one. And I get the porcelain portal hive, which is good as well. Where did I summon it? It's not over there. It must be somewhere over there. It's that mountain top. It's not. It's that pineapple. Great. That's gonna be it for this episode. Video. Hope you enjoyed watching my other account and the pro one that I will use for the pro video, pro, noob, and veteran video. And see you all next time. Bye.